Or two kind of prayers. Your mechanical prayer and your meditative prayer. Many amount for Omokwa sorry ni Omosumsum Nyankopon no. Omompa ye ba oboboni nyina no ye mechanical prayer. Omo bi say omo ye eloquent, omo tumi kasa, omo tumi Nyankopon di nkobo, so they are saying many things. But Bible has no efficacy, no power, no opulence, because they actually recited a mechanical prayer. But a meditative prayer, and they say you have to be conscious. Say God is a personality. And same way, say one day be aiding combo. That's pay attention to you. So only be aiding combo or me on the phone. How do you feel?
Why, Basa?
Yes. Nipanim boo.
Sir.
So you should be conscious. Say there's a personality. One day be aiding combo. That's the first thing. When you say God is not zero, God is not void. God is a personality. Because Bible say we were created in the image and the likeness of God. Because the image means the replica of the object. And if you have mirror, we say, well, imagine one mirror no two eyes. Because who the object and who 2 eyes. Huh? We say the object, I mean the image in the mirror no 2 nostrils, because you the object and who possess 2 nostrils. We say image what mirror no 1 mouth. Because you the object and you possess 1 mouth. So, the image is the replica of the object. So, if truly we were created in the image and the likeness of God, it means the way we look like, Nyankopon esayen, and I say Nyankopon. Obviously, Nyankopon, Nyankopon, by Bible, Nyankopon say, John said, "Empofremu and I'm osumsumu." Na me so Nyankopon etin agom, or say, I saw a throne set in heaven, and someone sat on it. Say Nyankopon to mutena say, it means what? Someone sat on it. Osinipano, ohana enhwe. Because the kind of effulgence that emanates from the body of God, it's like 10,000 suns combined together. So we are about we are 12. So if 10,000 suns, the effulgence of 10,000 suns is combined together, it means you cannot look at it. Because we are back 10,000 come now shit. So that is the effulgence that emanates from the body of God. So don't say, so what can I and that? Or so what do I mean say or what? So what do I mean say or 9? So or 9 do I mean so 3 or 10 or some say God is a person. Okay, what does I was saying? Adam if ever Nyankopon nam throne ever. And see or saying God was walking through the garden. No move back on Catherine from an effort. Yamu 9. Bible says we were created in the image and the likeness. So this subject, I mean this statement should be underlined. We were created in the image and the likeness of God, which means that we look like God. Okay? We look like God. So what does I think you should understand say first, be conscious, said you are going to communicate with a personality. Now the same way, so when you be in command, one person didn't pay attention, you should focus your mind, say you want to pay attention to the personality that you want to relate to at that moment. And not just any other personality, but the supreme absolute truth. He is a beginning, but he has no beginning. He has no middle, and he has no end. But he is the beginning, he is the middle, he is the end. Huh? That is the supreme being. So now you want to communicate with God, the Almighty One. First, be conscious of his existence. So you have to think of what you want to tell God. And as you are speaking, you should hear whatever you are saying. So many would didn't come and say, if I'm not following what I'm saying, my another phone from come be so. So when you be didn't come up, now I go the phone so I'm say what another phone. So if you want to communicate with God, as I said, why are doing 81 seminar? So it means that you should hear what you are saying. So when you first sit down, you analyze the situation and say you want to talk to a personality, the supreme being. Now you have words that you want to tell that personality. As you are speaking, you should hear what you are saying. That prayer it's very powerful.